Hey everybody, just wanted to show you a fun one that I'm doing today. I'm at a regular apartment facility that I clean. They're like little townhouses and they're really fun. Anyway, I do low moisture here, mainly because it's on a slab and there could be a lot of issues with like spots wicking back, things like that. But anyway, I'll show you what we're doing. I just got finished with this hallway. It's much better. That was like black down there. But if you look, a lot of spots here. Some of this might be worn, but we're going to give it a lot of extra scrub time. But look at all that. That's a little traffic pattern. You can see where the sofa went right here. Let's try to make it better. So we'll go fire up this machine here and just see how well it cuts through. This has already been pre-sprayed. One of my patented formulas. So anyway, let's go kind of in this dark area to see if we can create a nice clean streak. Let's see. Oh yeah. Cuts through like a hot knife through butter. Love it. Anyway, hope you guys know that this is probably my strongest method. Some people prefer that I do the hot water extraction, but I typically recommend this over the hot water extraction because with this cleaning method, what you see is what you get. Now, with hot water extraction, it looks great when I'm done, but then like a day later when it's completely dry, a lot of spots come back. It just doesn't look as good. So this is why I tend to lean more towards this method. And don't be fooled by there's like anti-marketing about what I do out there where they say, oh, it just smears the dirt around this or that. That actually is not the case. All your soil gets extracted and actually goes right under that pad. You see how it's darker? But also, if there's any remaining soil, the remaining soil, basically, sorry, I'm messing around with my machine here. The remaining soil will get crystallized. Basically, an encapsulation will crystallize over any remaining soil that's in the carpet, and the remaining stuff will flake off when you do your regular routine vacuuming. So it actually gives you a very, very clean palette after you do that post-vacuuming. But anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a little information about what I do, when you see both methods, because I am a dual method cleaner. But every method has their place in this industry, and I definitely am a firm believer in the low moisture cleaning. You get less mildewy smells, just in general for odor remediation and whatnot. It's always good to stick with lower moisture. Moisture tends to feed any mold growth. It feeds bacterial growth from urine and whatnot. So anyway, enjoy the video and hope you guys are enjoying this lovely day. Hopefully the humidity goes down a bit, but otherwise it's pretty nice out there. So all right, take care everybody. Bye-bye.